huh? Well, the reason I'm so far away, seem to be so far away, is because I want you to be able to see this floor piano that I made for us to explore musical notes together. Now, how many musical notes do you think there are? Take a guess. Go ahead. All right. Did you make a guess? Okay. There are 7 musical notes. Just 7. And depending on what musical note you play, how you play it, and how many times, and what order you play all those 7 musical notes in, that's how a song is made. Now, you're probably wondering, what are the 7 musical notes? The 7 musical notes are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then you go back to C. But the C on one end is low, and on the other end is high. So, on the piano, it goes. You start with C, then D, then E, then F, then G, then A, then B, and then back to C. And if you were singing along with the piano, the musical notes sound like this. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now, to help us remember what the musical notes are on the piano, I have a fun activity for us to do. I've collected some objects that start with each of the letters on the piano here. Now, I have a boat. I have a giraffe. I have an elephant. I have an ant, a frog. I have 2 cars, which gives you a little bit of hint. And I have a dinosaur. I want your help in deciding where to put each object. So we're going to match the object to the letter it starts with. Giraffe. What letter does giraffe start with? What letter can make that j, j, j sound? Giraffe. G. Let's find G. Let's have the giraffe look for G. That's not G. Where's G? There it is. G is for giraffe. Now, boat. What letter begins? What letter does boat start with? B. B is for boat. And then, what letter does dinosaur start with? D. D is for dinosaur. And elephant. What letter makes that sound? Elephant. E. E is for elephant. Frog. What letter makes a f sound? F. F is for frog. Ant. What makes a sound? A. A is for ants. And now, we've got 2 objects left that are the same. They're both cars. And what musical note did I say gets repeated on the piano? C. So we're going to put one card here for the low C, and we're going to put one card here for the high C. Now, let's review, all right? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C. And if we were singing, we would sing Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Before we go, I did want to take a closer look, and I'll move closer. You can see. At different kinds of musical notes for all musical instruments and how a musician would read music. There's a whole note, a half note, a quarter note, an eighth note, and a 16th note. And I drew different shapes here to represent what that means. You have a whole circle, a half circle, a quarter of a circle, an eighth of a circle, and a 16th slice of a circle. And this is how the musical notes look. So this is a whole note, this is a half note, this is a quarter note, this is an eighth note, this is a 16th note. And musical notes can jump, they can leap, or they can stay the same. I hope you had fun learning about the piano with me. I know I did, and I will see you soon for a fun jingle bell painting activity that we're gonna do using magnets. How interesting.